Hi, it's me, Ikram Hossain, and today we will talk about why you need a keyword research. So now, if you want to rank your website on Google or you want to rank any page of website in Google, then you have to do this keyword research first, because keyword research is the first step of SEO and you have to do this for your website. Without keyword research you can't rank your website on Google first page. Like, this is your website, optihole.com, like such as this is your website, and now you want to rank this website with Optihole keyword. You want, when someone search on Google Optihole, then your website appear on Google's first page. So you want to do this. So you want to rank your website with Optihole keyword. Now you have to research this keyword. Is this keyword is low competitive, or this keyword have high competitor? So you have to find out this, because if this keyword is high competitive, then it will be so difficult to rank your website on Google first page. Now if I search Optihole, then you will see our website is appearing Google's number 1, because Optihole, this keyword is a very low competitive keyword, because in this keyword there are no website in Google. So if you scroll down, then you will see this every website is ours. Like this is our main website, Optihole. This is our LinkedIn profile, Optihole. This is our Upwork profile. This is my LinkedIn profile. This is our Optihole YouTube channel. So everything is ours. So that is the thing. If you want to rank your website on Google, then you have to do keyword research. So in next video, we will show how you can do keyword research practically. So I hope you all understand actually why you need a keyword research for your website. Thank you.